Life's too short to be sitting around miserable. It's Friday. I just spilled all this on my shirt. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to the Good Skin channel. Welcome back to Kurvekut. This is your girl Kay. Bam! That's an intro I want. Thank you for being here today. I'm doing makeup. I am doing this look, and you guys know I am all about what's easy, what's simple, what's quick. I don't want to do something that takes too much work and no, I don't like that. I want something that's quick and then we out of here very fast. This is the eyeshadow I did. It's very simple, very quick, nothing complicated about it. Anybody can do it, because if I did it, then you can do it. Okay, so this is the look, guys. I hope you enjoyed this video. Give it a thumbs up and leave me a comment in the comment section below. Like, comment and share. That is the goal, guys. Thank you so much for being here. I love you guys. Bye bye. So guys, I have put a mist on my face, I've set my eye, and then I'm gonna start with some flesh tones. I'm gonna start with this color right there, which is like a brown, and I'm just gonna take a little bit of that, and then I'm gonna put this all over my eye, because I'm going for like a pink type looking eyeshadow. Then for my transition color, because I'm going for like pinks, I'm gonna go for, I really like this burgundy looking color right here. I really like the way it looks. I'm gonna take a little bit of that, dust it off. I'm just gonna pat it in here first, just to make sure that I'm not heavy-handed. And then it's all nicely blended out. And I'm gonna take it out a little, because I'm gonna fix it with my foundation anyways. After I have that, what's so beautiful about the makeup that I do is that I like simplicity. So I'm just gonna take this color right here, which is just a shiny version of that. I'm gonna use my finger and I'm gonna put this on my lid. I'm gonna put a little bit more just to make it pop. And I'm gonna take my blending brush again and just blend in between the glittery one and that one, and that's basically my eye look. But what I want to do is to smoke it out just a little. So there's a few darker shades here. I'm gonna take this color and then I'm just gonna smoke it out lightly, and I mean really light, right here. And I'm smoking it out into my transition color, so that it like kind of gets lost in there. I don't want it to be the obvious color. Blend and blend and blend. We don't get tired of blending. We must blend this out so that it makes sense. So I think I want my glitter to kind of stand out a bit more. I'm gonna look for a flat brush, and then I'm gonna put my setting spray on there. I'm gonna pick up the pink glittery one, you know, the one I had used on my lid, that one. And I'm just gonna use this so that it just stands out a little bit more with the wet brush. And there you can see it a bit more now. Take it all the way just about there. If it had been in another world, I would have done a cut crease, but you know guys, I'm not about that life. Eyebrows, keep it simple. I still use those, and I'm just gonna put some wax to make my eyebrows sit. I like this because it gives my eyebrows that natural look. I'm gonna brush them in because we want fluffy eyebrows, healthy fluffy eyebrows. And then I'm gonna take my gel, my eyebrow gel, and they're both from Eyelure, and I'm just gonna lightly comb through my eyebrows. comb through this one more time to kind of lighten up all the products so that they're not too heavy, because I want my eyebrows looking natural. And I am going to define my eyebrows again with my concealer, and I'm going to use the same one that I had used on my eyes into my brow bone and just clean this up so that my eyebrows are defined. I think that this look is nice for like a Saturday afternoon or Friday evening, you know, because if you're coming from work and you just had a little bit of a pink shadow, you just smoke it out and then you're good to go. And I started with my eyes just in case there's like fallout, and then now we're gonna do the rest of my face. So I'm gonna prime with this Cypria, actually Chypria primer. This one is if you want a nice dewy finish to your makeup, and also it's like in the afternoon for me when I'm filming this, so I don't want to be matte in the evening. I'm gonna conceal still with my MAC concealer palette, and I'm taking, I believe this is NC45, which is a little dark for me, and I prefer darker colors. It covers better, so I'm just gonna conceal here. On my mouth is where I experience a lot of discoloration. On my nose as well, I have a bit of discoloration. I'm gonna take a dry beauty blender, and then I'm just gonna set this in. Then I'm gonna use something a bit lighter in the same palette to kind of conceal underneath my eyes all this dark circle that adulthood has given me. I'm going to conceal that. I'm gonna get the beauty blender a little bit wet with some, this is the Fix Plus from MAC. I can't believe I actually forgot that. So I just do that underneath my eyes. And because I'm basically just using concealer all over my face, I'm gonna have to set my whole face, right? But I'm not going crazy because it's just Friday afternoon. So let's set this with some powder. I'm still using the one from Black Opal. A little bit on my nose so that we can have pretend highlighting, because I didn't really do it. And this is how I get away with murder. Because I would look like I spent the whole day doing this, but I didn't. I don't bake because it makes skin dry, so I'm just gonna kind of take it off immediately. I can't afford to have my skin drying up, so I'm not baking my face. Now that's all off. I am now gonna use the Laura Mercier to set my whole powder and my whole face. This is the translucent, this is medium deep, and I buy these from Skins Cosmetics, and I'm gonna take that. I love this color, it's very nice and like I just spilled all this on my shirt. So a little bit on my neck, a little bit there. Nicely set. I am going to contour. So today I'm using my palette from NYX, and I'm just using this contour powder right here. And then because I have chubby cheeks, we start from there. You come down underneath my cheekbone, and then we just work it in. I don't like to contour my nose because I feel like I'm giving it too much attention, so I'd rather not. And then I'll take that right behind my ears and down to make my face look slimmer. And now I'm gonna do a little bit of mascara on my eyes. Makeup doesn't usually take me this long. Every time I have to film and talk, this is how long it takes me, because I would have been done by now. So some mascara coming through there. I take my flat brush and I'm gonna go back with my transition color, and I'm gonna put this on my lower lash line, like right there. You don't really have to do this step. It's completely up to you, but I like to do it, so up to you though. By the way, I do have somebody in the room today helping me. It's good. It feels good. I don't know if I want to put anything in the corner of my eye, but I think I'm gonna try this color. I'm gonna put that right here. Okay, it works, guys. I was afraid for nothing. And then we're gonna highlight, which is like my favorite part of the video. I'm gonna use this Love You So Much. Like, I guess it was meant to be much. I'll take a little brush. This is a setting brush by Real Techniques. And I think I'm gonna go for that. I like this gold here. I'm feeling it. Let's just swatch it. Because I just want fairy dust. I don't want to like overdo it. I'm gonna take a little bit more, put some right there. Ooh, I like that. Okay, fairy dust it is. So those are the parts of my face I want to highlight, of course. So I'm gonna take a little bit and just put in between my eyes, and then I'll just brush it off. And because I don't contour my nose or highlight it with concealers, you know, I'd rather do that. And I think I'm gonna put some of this on my brow bone. For my lips, I am keeping it simple with some gloss, and this one is from Woolworth. I am so in love with this. It's so pretty because glossy is in, so that it ties in well. You see, this is where I cracked up last week. Then I'm gonna take my powder brush, just and pass it here so that my highlighter isn't too much out there. Put on my lashes. I'm gonna put on some Beauty lashes, and then I'll be back. To set my face, I'm gonna use the Super Stay 24, which is my favorite from Maybelline, and I buy it for almost nothing at Discount. So I'm just gonna set my face, and this one is mattifying, by the way. And just so I make sure that I'm not too matte later on in the day, I am going to then again set with this Mario Badescu. Well, it's not setting really, it's just hydrating my face. Guys, this is it. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. If you are not subscribed to my channel yet, please subscribe to my channel. If you need more information about what I did, please leave it for me in the comment section below. And then don't forget to share. Don't forget to tell somebody about it. Okay, I'm just gonna add a little bit more lip gloss because, you know, I just love this matte eye glossy lip situation. It's like, it does something. I'll see you in my next video. Thank you so much for watching. Thank you for being here, and see ya.